Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys watching from. Welcome to another video at Life with May May, the QH3PL. If you're not subscribed, please go over and subscribe to the channel. Show some love, show some support. I'm in the dark right now. I'm on my way out. I got a couple of errands to run. And I got to go do blood work, guys. I hate needles. I really do. You guys with me? Drop down in the comments, say amen, but it's necessary because my potassium been extremely high. That's what's keeping my migraines around. And sorry about that, potentially my anxiety. So I can't get back on my diet pills until I get that stabilized and clearance for my bariatrics doctor to go ahead and send me a new prescription. So there's been a lot going on the last couple of months. The Lord's will, I'm getting through it. Claiming Sunday is day one, back to work. So we all going through something. Just the way of the world today. And if you ain't going through something, God bless you. And if you is, still God bless you. Because if it ain't one thing, it's always another. But we got to stand strong. Stand on God's promises. And don't forget, I have 2 YouTube channels. So my main channel is Life with May May. That one right there, I'm so close to being monetized, guys, but I need you guys to watch the videos all the way through. No skips. This is my main channel, Life with May May. If you can go over there, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Watch the videos all the way through, no skips. As I go live, hype me up, hype me up. That means thumbs up the live. Start a positive conversation, never mind that. And share with your family and friends. So let's get these watch hours up, guys. Because you have to have, oh, I hate when I do that. You have to have 3,000 or more watch hours to get monetized and 1,000 or more subscribers. So it goes hand in hand, ain't no way around it. But we're going to get through it. I know you guys want to support me. And those of you that just viewing the videos, it don't cost nothing. Just hit that subscribe button, watch the videos all the way through, no skips, share with your family and friends. As I go live, hype me up, hype me up, hype me up. Now, for my second channel, the one that I'm recording on, that's at Life with May May. I usually can't find it. Oh, I'm so hot. Okay. This is my second channel. Right up under Life with May May is at Life with May May QH3PL. If you have not subscribed to that channel, which the channel I'm recording on now, please hit the subscribe button. Watch the videos all the way through, no skips. As I go live, hype me up, hype me up. That means thumbs up the video. And drop a comment, positive comment, and start up a conversation. I never mind. Some people do, some people don't. But we ain't going to give up. We ain't going to give in. We on the road to getting monetized at Life with May May QH3PL and Life with May May. So those both of my YouTube channels. If you didn't know, one and the same. And last but not least, let me show you my TikTok. And I know they really ain't paying over there, but I would like to get monetized over there too. I did the work, might as well. Now, the TikTok and the YouTube, Life with May May, I've had them for 6 years. So this is my TikTok. I post nightly prayers, sometimes what I'm doing. You see that at MAYK0318? That's me also. Go over there and follow, share. As I go live over there, send gifts, and you can like the live as many times as you want to. And let's support all three, you know? Why not? Everybody else getting monetized and way faster. And I know everybody content is different. I know that. But at MAYK0318, I really would appreciate it. And I've been doing this also for 6 years. So the newly channel is at Life with May May. So people going over there DJ and everything. So they getting their channels up, and that's good. So when I come back, excuse my hair. I gotta do my hair. And I pray all is well with everybody. I gotta get out here, and I hate getting out here in this weather. But I gotta do what I gotta do. So let me get my little shorts ready. So I gotta go to family fair. And get a money order. So I got that ready. Oh, I'm so hot. It's hot up in here. Oh. So we're finna get on out here. I try to find my hat. I can't find my hat. That's why I gotta buy me a little cute little beanie for days when my hair ain't done, or even, you know, if it's really cold outside. I just don't like nothing on my head because of my migraines. Let me get my coat. Give me a second, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, young women, young men. Okay, guys, I think I'm ready. Put my headband on with my hair exposed like I just washed it. So, snowed again. Gotta get snow off my truck again. I gotta get my gloves. So I'm gonna sit you guys down in the truck while I do this. I got my gloves. Put on my shoes. Lazy, don't want to untie them. Now I don't want to buy me no boots, but I need some boots. I need some warm boots. The boots I got, all of them. It's not for the winter. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy work. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yesterday, I don't know if I recorded, but I went to Vivo Infusion, so I went and got my infusion for my headaches. So we're gonna see. Then next Friday, I got my Botox, so then I gotta make me a dentist appointment because I didn't go all last year. I kept forgetting. They said they needed $60 for something, but I kept forgetting to pay it. And then every time I want to go, I'm like, I ain't paid them they $60. I guess that's something the insurance don't cover, so lock the door. And ladies and gentlemen, if you don't got a Ring camera doorbell, I suggest you get one. It comes in handy, boy. You can go back because it's attached to your phone. So here's ours. We watching, so don't dare try it. So it's a doorbell and a camera in one. When I first got it, I wasn't really enthused with it because I was like, you can see, you can't see, but then as I got used to it. So we gotta put you guys in the truck while I get the snow off. Be right with you. Oh my God, this is gonna be froze. Oh my God, hey man, this seat gonna be froze. Oh my God, one effing thing is another. bit. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm cold than a mother. Look at my glove. Whew. It is freezing. Let's see what the temperature is. And my hands froze from messing with that water that fell in my seat. Had to put my hat on. Oh, it's it's only 1 degree. That's why. Oh my God. It's 11:46. We got here to get back. It's too cold out here. You ain't gotta be out here. Don't come. Especially people with arthritis and stuff. Oh, this is sad. And I had to get out here and all the other people. Oh my God. It's horrible. That's why it's so cold. And then I'm by the lake. So if you know where Holland at, we're by the lake. You know, you know. Zip my jacket up all the way. That wasn't zipped. You guys probably think I'm cold, but I'm not. This thing is insulated. That coat is too heavy. So I gotta wait till. Oh, my hands are froze. Probably be back home at least by 1:30. So I can start my hair. My husband get out of work at 3. I don't know if he planning on going somewhere. So I probably have to be at 3 o'clock. I can make it here probably like 3:20. But hope I can get done. Don't be rushed before you get out. Well, I should be back probably at 1. So I was gonna go get my nails fixed. I said I ain't even gonna bother about that. I'm getting them done next week anyway. God's willing. Yep, next week Thursday anyway. Now we gotta see how these streets is. These Holland streets. They're so pretty out here. And it's crazy on bad days like this. I know your company's got to still work, but it's just sad when you gotta drive, especially if you gotta drive from a long way. So, ladies and gentlemen, young men, young women, be careful out here. And if you got an appointment at a certain time, leave 20 minutes early. Because you never know with the traffic. You never know what you're going to run into. You got a lot of people that don't leave on time and they want to tailgate people. And that's not right. That could cause an accident. Yep. Cover. Yes, Lord. They fast like it's nothing out here. This is terrible. Once I stop, I'll let you guys see. So pray all is well with everybody. I'm getting through it. We're going to get through it. We got to. We don't have a choice. God bless us. Can take it away also. So this is horrible out here. And it just won't stop. It just keep hitting. But I'll give it to the Lord. I pray next weekend is Good Friday. On the 30th, that's my daughter's birthday. She'll be 41. I want to go up there and pray. I ain't got to work. And if I do, I can switch for Saturday. But, yeah, go up there and spend a couple hours with her, bless her, and be around my granddaughters. Hopefully my mom can come over. And I always go get my youngest brother, so he'll be there. So, yeah, we're going to see how it all work out. Then I got to drop off. Before I get there, I got to drop off my niece's son gift for Christmas. And that's shame. I just got that gift like a week ago, but hey, it is what it is. Dang, it's a whiteout down here. You can't see Nothing. That's what, yep. Where's the wheel? Take care of what I gotta take care of and get in the house, and they go so slow. Or if you was behind them, they'll be on your bumper. Y'all it's bad out here. Look at this parking lot. And then you got people just cutting from everywhere. But you gotta watch it. Be an accident. Snowbank. Here. Get in, get out. Okay, guys, going up to Family Fair. I'll put you guys up in the stand. I gotta do my shorts while I'm here. Sorry, guys, the video stopped. Hopefully, I can merge them together. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, the window getting all snowy, covered. I did not want to get out. Man, it froze that fast. This is horrible. This stuff crazy. Oh, this is sad, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it clear for you guys. Got a little clear. Okay, we gotta mail this money order to my light company. I messed this paper up. So we're gonna put this in the mailbox. We ain't gonna check the mail because I just checked it yesterday. So I let it pile up so maybe Sunday when I go to work, or if I check it, if it's something that I need, I have my husband get it. I still ain't got my gas. Really need to stop and do that. We're gonna do that. Yep, I'll put this in the mail and then we're gonna get our gas and then we're gonna continue on. Man, this is horrible out here. Okay, let's mail this. Then we gotta get our gas. Oh. Is she gonna go? Oh, she's scared. Dang, what is you looking at? Hey. Young, too. Slow, but just stupid. God, forgive me. Man, this is not the weather for that. Really ain't. I'm trying to get my stuff done so I get in the house. It's too cold to be out here. Whoever want to be out here, something is mainly wrong. Then we gotta go to the credit union, then go get my blood drawn. Yep, the gas is $2.61, so we finna go get our gas. It's right here. Might as well put my hat on. I have to get that ice off the back of my back window. Yeah, make sure you got your gas, guys. You don't want to be out here with no gas. It's too cold. I don't even want to get out, but I'm getting out because later on might be worse. It's getting warm finally in this truck. Everything's circulating. You know you gotta let it run for about 10 minutes in this weather. Vortex. Give him a glove, guys. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, it's so cold. I can't even put some gloves on because they wet. And it's making my hand like froze. Oh, this is bad out here. If I had to be out here, trust me, I wouldn't be. This is sad. Oh my God, jeez. Every time I get in the truck, I gotta do this. I ain't got that much wiper fluid. I bet. Credit union, drop this paper up, then go get my blood drawn, then give me something to eat and come on back home. I'm finna get out of this one. People driving crazy. It's just too cold. Can't even see their license plate. Oh my God. See this, guys? Ahead is sad. Yeah, so at least my truck on full. So I'm happy. I'm full. Trying to see what I want to eat. Might not even getting up. Got noodles at home. I could make me some sandwiches. I don't feel like cooking, so I'm gonna do my hair. Yep. Get this done. They be coming too far over. Stupid. This is crazy up ahead. I wish you guys could see it. I have to hold it like this because, see me? Because if I put it in the stand, it's going to show that round part, and I hate that in my videos. So we're going to go look at another stand at Burlington. Yeah, I got to go there anyways in a couple of weeks. Get my outfit. My granddaughter gave me the money. But I don't know what I want. I know I need some more jeans. But I got to get to work too. Get this overtime, pay off some things, put some money, start saving money again. The Lord's will, pay more on my truck. I gotta get this debt out the way, Lord. Please help me. Get my credit right, because we want to get out the trailer. Well, I don't. I love it. And the way I do and the way I don't. So I'm gonna say it like that. But and save because we want to get us a single family home. When you come in, well, a porch. This time I want a porch, a nice front yard, good neighborhood. Neighbors not too close. Hopefully clean neighbors. Because it seems like every time I move, we get a person that's junky. I don't know why. Every time. That don't like to clean. And I don't get that. Like, why don't you want your space clean? And just like when I'm not talking about nobody, but the truth is the truth. It's like every time. Now we got somebody like that. Then when we had a house, we had a guy like that. And I think them was the last 2 times, if I can remember, but it's just nerve-wracking. But yeah, I'm claiming it. I want our house to be preferably gray, white, a neutral color on the outside. Fairly new roof, foundation good. All the warranties for the everything they had repaired, like water heater, furnace, for like 15-year warranty. I know everything is 10, but when you come in, there's a little hall, then there's a coat closet to your left, and then a small bathroom with a sink and a toilet. And then you come on in, then it just open. Living room, dining room, kitchen. And then you go on one side of the house, there's the bedrooms, but like space between them. Then the master have his own bathroom, his and her sinks. And a finished basement with another half bath. It don't have to be full. Half bath, toilet in the sink. Downstairs, big enough where my husband will have his gaming, this man cave, his bathroom, and then a little space to work out if he want to work out. Just room enough for him. Just him and probably 3 or 4 buddies. You know how that goes. But I'm claiming it. So this is 31. We in Holland, Michigan. You got to remember, we by the water. And on the north side. This is the time. It's 10 after 12. See that? 1 degrees. Oh, it's like that's why. If you don't hurry up and get in the house, you're going to freeze. It ain't going to take long. So I pray nobody out here homeless. Please, Lord. It is not good. Back here again. I had to come here 2 times yesterday. It's like people don't get their stuff right. It's like, how can you work somewhere? I know everybody be new, but y'all shouldn't have them people helping people unless they got somebody right there. But you know, these day and age, they try to save all the money they can. Fine. That's the paperwork I had to drop back off. We signed it before, but it seemed like they said you guys didn't send it to them, so my...
Is it just this page?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm supposed to send this to Brian, you said?
Yes.
Okay, I'll email it to Brian.
Thank you.
Okay.
Cut me off. They don't want to hear when they're wrong. They'll tell you when you're wrong. I got a picture of it anyway, so if something happened again, that's crazy. You got to take your own picture. because they will believe them over you. Because they supposed to be professionals. They go that tropical smoothie. I'm going to have to go back there. So yeah, guys, just going around running my errands. I'm on my way to the hospital now and get my blood drawn. So I pray you guys go subscribe to the channels if you haven't already. Life with May May and at Life with May May -QH3PL. And them both of my YouTube channels. TikTok channel is MAYK0318. If you haven't subscribed, if you're still on the fence, please go support the channels. Life with May May. I'm doing good on my subscribers, but I need my videos watched. On my YouTube channel, you gotta have 1,000 or more subscribers, 3,000 or more watch hours. So my watch hours, I'm not even at 1,000. I have had that channel for 6 years. So if you guys into supporting people, which I pray everybody is, go support that channel. And when I'm live, hype me up, and just start up a conversation with me. As long as it's positive and, encouraging, we can talk. And my TikTok is MAYK0318. Go follow. And over there on TikTok, you can like the videos as many times as you want to, and you can send gifts. So like diamonds, hearts, praying hands, flowers, roses, anything you feel that I deserve, because we all deserve gifts. So I'm going to end this video for now. I thank you guys so much for watching. Coming to you guys from Highland, Michigan. Guys, stay safe out here. God bless.